Learning to say no, the key to setting healthier boundaries for yourself and others. Why is it hard to say no? Many of us struggle to say no because we fear disappointing others or damaging our relationships. Sometimes, the fear of being disliked or excluded leads us to say yes even when we don't want to. However, this behavior can lead to long-term consequences such as burnout, stress, and dissatisfaction. The importance of saying no. Saying no is one of the clearest ways to establish boundaries with ourselves and others. A life without boundaries can negatively impact our personal happiness and mental well-being over time. Learning to say no is a key to protecting our personal freedom and maintaining inner balance. Benefits of learning to say no. Time management. It helps you prioritize your responsibilities and gives you the space to focus on what truly matters. Self-respect. You begin to prioritize your own values and needs, boosting your confidence. Healthy relationships. Saying no helps establish healthy boundaries in relationships, fostering mutual respect. Emotional health. It protects you from stress and burnout by preventing you from taking on too much. 5 practical tips for saying no. Be clear. Use a polite and straightforward approach to explain why you're saying no. This helps the other person understand your reasoning. Offer an alternative. If you find it difficult to say no directly, offering an alternative solution can help maintain your relationships. Don't feel guilty. Saying no doesn't mean you're being selfish. It's healthy to protect your own needs and boundaries. The not now strategy. Use a flexible approach, like I can't do it right now, but I might be able to help in the future. Practice. Saying no is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to develop. Start with smaller situations, and it will get easier over time. Conclusion. Learning to say no is an essential skill that strengthens your personal boundaries and protects your emotional well-being. Saying no is just as valuable as saying yes, and it can bring more balance and peace into your life.